Introducing the top future tech on Amazon, a curated selection of cutting-edge innovations that provide a glimpse into the exciting advancements shaping our world. From augmented reality devices that seamlessly blend digital and physical realities, to powerful AI-driven assistants that revolutionize the way we interact with our homes, the top future tech on Amazon represents the forefront of innovation across various domains. Get ready to explore the top 10 future tech on Amazon in this riveting video. Witness the innovations that are shaping tomorrow, all in one exciting showcase. Number 10. Hyperice X. The Hyperice X is a cutting-edge technology that is designed to provide innovative recovery solutions for athletes and individuals seeking to optimize their physical performance. It is a portable handheld device that incorporates advanced vibration technology to help with muscle recovery, pain relief, and enhanced mobility. The Hyperice X utilizes a combination of high-intensity vibration and percussion therapy to target muscles and soft tissues. This can help to improve blood circulation, reduce muscle tension, and alleviate soreness. One of the key features of the Hyperice X is its customizable settings, which allows users to adjust the intensity and frequency of vibrations according to their comfort and recovery needs. Number 9. Dream Glass Flow. The Dream Glass Flow is an innovative augmented reality or AR device that offers users a unique and immersive digital experience. Designed to be worn like a pair of glasses, the Dream Glass Flow integrates virtual content into the real world, allowing users to interact with digital information while still being aware of their physical surroundings. The device features a lightweight and sleek design, resembling a pair of regular glasses. It employs advanced optics to project digital images and information directly into the user's field of view. This enables a wide range of applications, from entertainment and gaming to professional use cases like remote collaboration, training, and education. The Dream Glass Flow is equipped with various sensors and cameras that facilitate spatial tracking, hand gestures, and interactions. This enables users to manipulate and engage with digital content using intuitive gestures and movements. Number 8. Magic Leap 2. Magic Leap 2 is an advanced augmented reality platform that builds upon the technology developed by Magic Leap, a company known for its pioneering work in the field of mixed reality. The Magic Leap 2 represents the next iteration of their AR hardware and software, aiming to provide users with even more immersive and interactive experiences. The Magic Leap 2 system consists of a lightweight and comfortable wearable device that users wear like a pair of glasses. These glasses incorporate high-resolution displays, sensors, and advanced optics to seamlessly blend digital content with the real world. This results in a mixed reality experience where virtual objects are integrated into the user's environment, enabling interactive and dynamic interactions. Before we move on, support us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Now, let's get back to our topic. Number 7. MakerBot SKETCH. The MakerBot SKETCH is an innovative 3D printing platform designed to bring creativity and precision to life. MakerBot, a well-known name in the 3D printing industry, has introduced the Sketch as part of its lineup, offering users the ability to turn their ideas into tangible objects with ease and accuracy. The MakerBot SKETCH is characterized by its user-friendly approach to 3D printing, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced makers. MakerBot offers a selection of materials suitable for different applications, allowing users to print with various properties such as strength, flexibility, and durability. The Sketch often includes Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling users to monitor print progress remotely and control the printer through a connected device. Number 6. DJI FPV Combo. The DJI FPV Combo is an exciting and immersive drone package offered by DJI, a prominent name in the drone and aerial photography industry. The FPV stands for First-Person View, indicating that this drone is designed to provide users with a thrilling and immersive flight experience as if they were inside the cockpit of the drone itself. The drone itself features a sleek and aerodynamic design, equipped with powerful motors that enable high-speed flight and agile maneuvers. The included FPV goggles provide an immersive view from the drone's perspective in real time. These goggles feature low-latency transmission, high-quality screens, and comfortable design for extended use. The drone offers a range of flight modes, including different levels of piloting assistance and agility. Number 5. Makita Wall Scanner. The Makita wall scanner is an advanced and versatile tool designed to help professionals and homeowners accurately locate hidden objects and structures behind walls, floors, and ceilings. This tool is especially useful for tasks such as drilling, cutting, or mounting fixtures, where knowing what lies behind a surface is crucial to avoid damaging pipes, wires, or other concealed elements. The scanner utilizes advanced technology, such as radar or electromagnetic sensing, to detect different materials and structures behind surfaces. It can detect objects like studs, pipes, wires, rebar, and even wooden and metal studs. The tool often provides information about the depth at which the detected objects are located. This helps users determine how deep they need to cut or drill while avoiding potential obstructions. Number 4. Lenovo YogaBook 9i. The Lenovo YogaBook 9i is a cutting-edge 2-in-1 laptop that combines innovative designs, functionality, and performance. It's part of Lenovo's Yoga series, known for its versatile form factors and premium features. The YogaBook 9i offers a unique blend of productivity and creativity, making it an attractive choice for professionals, creatives, and those seeking a versatile computing experience. The YogaBook 9i features a 360-degree hinge, allowing it to transform between laptop, tablet, tent, and stand modes. This flexibility offers users multiple ways to interact with the device based on their needs. One of these standout features is its secondary display, which uses e-ink technology. The YogaBook 9i is equipped with powerful processors, ample RAM, and fast storage options, ensuring smooth multitasking, app performance, and quick boot times. Number 3. Nothing Ear. The Nothing Ear is a series of innovative wireless earbuds introduced by the technology company Nothing. These earbuds are designed to offer high-quality audio experiences, sleek aesthetics, and advanced features that cater to the needs of music enthusiasts, commuters, and anyone seeking a superior wireless listening experience. The Nothing Ear earbuds often showcase a minimalist and transparent design, allowing users to see the internal components. This unique design philosophy sets them apart from traditional earbuds. Many models include active noise cancellation or ANC technology, which reduces unwanted background noise, ensuring a more immersive and focused listening experience. Some models offer a transparency mode, which uses external microphones to allow ambient sounds in, making it easier to interact with the surroundings without removing the earbuds. Number 2. Anti-Gravity Water Drops Lamp. The anti-gravity fountain lamp is a table decoration and a light source, which creates an anti-gravity illusion with falling water. The base and the upper part of the fountain are connected by 4 aluminum rods. The fountain comes with 2 opposing glasses, one attached to the upper part and the other to the lower part, giving it an hourglass appearance. In addition, it also has some practical value, showing the right time and purifying the air. Negatively charged air molecules, which are generated at the bottom of the fountain lamp, help clean the air in the room by combining, for example, dust particles and bacteria. By filling the tank with water and turning on the small pump, it starts circulating water droplets through a hose inside an aluminum tube. Number 1. ZUUM Shoes. Self-balancing e-skates. ZUUM shoes are a modern and innovative type of footwear that offers a unique combination of self-balancing technology and electric propulsion. Often referred to as self-balancing e-skates, ZUUM shoes provide users with a fun and efficient way to travel short distances while enjoying a sense of freedom and excitement. ZUUM shoes are equipped with built-in sensors and gyroscopes that help maintain balance while the user stands on them. This technology allows users to glide smoothly and maneuver with relative ease. The shoes are powered by electric motors, usually one in each shoe. Many models include safety features such as LED lights for visibility in low light conditions and mechanisms to prevent overspeeding. So that's it. Please like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you liked this video. We've conveniently placed all the links to these fantastic household gadgets right in the description below for you. Feel free to click through and discover your next favorite gadget, or perhaps find that unique gift for your gadget-loving pal. Enjoy exploring. Remember to subscribe to see our next video. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.